So this is specifically made for Chevy Silverado and the GMC 1500 from model year 2019 to 2026. What I have here is 2026 1500 Crew Cab LT Chevy Silverado 1500. And got all this stuff right here. There's no storage. So we're gonna install a storage here in the back. And it's so cold right now, look. Frozen ice. What do we have here? And you have a bag of stuff that you need to install, and you got the installation parts right here. All right, should be like a puzzle. All right, installation instructions give you all the parts that you have, should be in the bag. Step one is, looks like we're connecting both together. Let's stuff it all here. There we go. One, two, third one is the one that's fastening the two together. All right, we got all four of them. Now it's time to tighten it up. All right, let's get out of there. Installed 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 4 total of these. But then the one that's facing in the back, another hole right here. Oh, there we go. So it holds it in place. So just aligning this real quick. Then let's feed this guy right here. All right, I'm not gonna go crazy on it. It's made of plastic. Then let's tighten the rest. All right, here we go again. Step number 4. Looks like we're gonna remove these and remove the jack. We need a 10mm socket. So let's grab a 10mm socket first. And we'll remove these ones first, the tools. I'll go on the other side. We're gonna need this 10mm. Now that's off. Let's remove the jack and should be lining up the holes. Step number 7 is all we're doing now is lining this up. We got a hole right there. Hole right there and 2 holes right here. Before we can continue, we're gonna put an adapter here in the jack, and the base is jack, which is this hole right here. So we'll put it on the side, and this base looks like this, and we'll just put it right here, and you'll have your washer. I'll just tighten this nut up right here. So this is the base of the jack. All right, so now first thing we're gonna install the jack. We still have the 2 original bolts or washers right here. Start with the one right here where we installed the adapter, which extends it a little bit. There we go. And then once that's seated, I'll probably install the original screw right here. It's a little tight. So now we got the jack seated. We have the extension or the adapter. So the adapter is installed on the jack, And then we started the screw here already from the original. I don't know if you can see it. That's the original screw that's mounted to the truck, and right there. Now we just gotta tighten it down. And then let's just go ahead and tighten this up. All right, almost to the final step. All right, final piece is just lining this hole right here. All right, tight. Step 9, we got these foam dividers, which actually goes right here, the middle. There you have it. All right, it's done. Before I put all my stuff, let's see how this closed. Oh, it's perfect. Yay. There you go. Like I said, this is from KINGGERI. You can always find this on Amazon. I'll put in the links in the description below. So key features right here is you can have compartments, and it's definitely hidden underneath your truck. So mind you, this is very truck specific for 2029 or 2026 Chevy Silverado 1500. For this one, also GMC. So now I got my scraper. Look at that. Perfect. And the rest of my stuff, recovery for jumper cables, and some tripods. That one can go right there. There's here. My daughter made that. So tripod right there, and got extra gloves. That's actually frozen solid. So definitely a lot more storage now. And all I'm doing is putting all my junk. Okay, installation done. This dowels for my woodworking later on. But for now, at least I know everything is great. Fix your boots. Yep, fits. There we go. And we can organize that later. Let's see. Perfect. Great. I'm happy with it. Thanks, KINGGERI, for sending me this product. Even though I had to install it in -6 degrees. It's freezing cold. All right, catch you later.